Khanom Jean has arrived. Our restaurant's Khanom Jean is a very popular menu item among people who love it. Customers must order this menu no matter what menu it is. It must include Khanom Jean because their Khanom Jean is freshly made and squeezed fresh every day for every dish and every menu. And now we have Khanom Jean ready to sell to customers who want to eat Khanom Jean at home. I will teach you how to order things online. One clicks on the profile page, then clicks on the basket, then starts the menu of products that the customer wants. Then choose the Khanom Jean menu. Customers can pay by scanning the QR code or paying upon delivery.